Today, we're going to be making magic ink. It's totally invisible, and only science can reveal it. And seriously, we're only using baking soda and water. Cool, right? So, what you'll need for this experiment, grape juice. We're also using red cabbage juice to see which one works better. And then you'll need baking soda, water, and a piece of paper. We're gonna take our baking soda, and then we're gonna take our water, pour water in. There we go. So I'm gonna mix that up. And then that's all we need to make our solution. Pretty easy, right? So, now, we're going to take our paintbrush and write a secret message. Hi friends, come on, let's play. It's a sunny science day today. Now I'm gonna write my second one. Now we're just gonna let this dry. There's so much to see and do under the sun. With my magnifying glass, I'm ready for some fun. Come on, let's go. Okay, time to reveal the first message using grape juice. Okay, now let's get a little on our brush. And we're gonna paint over this. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. We've got sunshine in our eyes. Each day we'll discover a new surprise. We're the Sunny Science Club. We're the Sunny Science Club. And an exclamation point. Oh my gosh. Science in the sun is fun. What's really cool about these is that when they dry, you can paint over them right over again. So cool, right? Now, what's going on here? A base plus an indicator equals color change. So, that's exactly what happened with our secret message here. I wrote on here with our base water, baking soda water, and then we let it dry so we couldn't see it anymore. But then when I got our indicator and painted it over with it, this grape juice is an indicator. So when I painted over the baking soda, it became darker so we could see it. But now, I want to move on to our next note. Shall we? Yeah, let's do that. Now for secret message number 2. We're trying this with red cabbage. I bet you weren't expecting it to turn blue. Bet you were expecting it to turn the same color as the other one, but work a little better. But nope, it just turned a different color. No. Oh, I know what it is. I drew the Sunny Science Club logo. The molecules in red cabbage act like little colored detectives. When they meet a base, they switch color. Message magically appears thanks to science. That was such a fun experiment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. I hope you make some cool messages.